What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journeys. So if you're interested in that type of content, then go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and join this community of like-minded individuals. As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be sharing with y'all 8 different lock styles that you can do on your own, and these are super cute. So you can rock these if you have a retwist, if you don't have a retwist, if you have a braid out or twist out, or if you don't have a braid out or twist out. These type of styles are pretty versatile, and what I want you to do is make it your own. Okay, so let's hop into it. For the first lock style, we are going to do a French roll with a swoop bang. How many of y'all remember when your mom, your aunties, even your grandmas used to rock that in the 90s? I do. Am I telling my age? But I've never done a French roll with my locks, so this is actually going to be my first attempt. However, I've been wanting to try it out. I believe I've seen a lock girly do it before on TikTok, maybe a little while back. I can't really remember. I'm gonna try it out myself and let's see if it works out. You definitely want to make sure you have some hairpins and bobby pins for this style. And if your locks are not long, or if you have like medium locks, you might need something. Oh guys, okay, sorry, it just came to me. I saw Napstar do this with a client, I think. Napstar on Instagram. Okay, anyways, if you do not have long locks, then I would recommend using something that you can use to wrap your hair around to create the French roll. Roll is to make sure your hair is tucked as much as possible. So hopefully y'all can see this, and hopefully it don't look too bad. I'm looking at the mirror over here, but I have 3 rolls that I stacked on top of each other, and now we'll just do the swoop bang in the front. Now you can do a bang where it's down, or you can do a swoop bang like me. I'm gonna do a swoop bang, and I'm gonna do it into like a little pin curl. Tuck it. I think the funniest part out of all of this with this hairstyle is making sure that I get all of the hairpins out before I move on to the next hairstyle. So this is what we have, y'all. I decided to not do the swoop bang only because of the direction that my French rolls are going. So instead, we're just gonna leave this out in the front as the bang. Comment down below if you like this lock style and if you would try it. Next up, we have Boho Bantu knots. I'm quite sure you all are familiar with this lock style. I've seen it done on so many beautiful young ladies, and you know, they usually add hair to it, like different kind of human hair to create that wavy look or something like that. I am not going to add any hair. I'm just going to do it with my locks because I have a twist out right now, and I feel like the waves of the twist out will definitely create that boho effect. So that's what we're doing. So get you some rubber bands. When it comes to how many Bantu knots you want to do, that's definitely up to you. I'm just going to sparingly leave locks out all around so it doesn't look like it was like really planned, if you know what I mean. And I'm going to twist it down like that. Just wrap it around into a knot. So we have the first Bantu knot completed. You can secure it with a bobby pin, or you can just like wrap another rubber band around it. But I'm just going to secure it with the bobby pin for the sake of this being a temporary style just for this video. So far, it's looking super cute. This could actually be a style in itself. Hold on. Y'all, let's make this style number 2. See, and it happens like that sometimes. So this is style number 2. This is Bantu knots in the front and half down in the back. This is actually really funny because this was supposed to be all Bantu knots, but we'll get to that now. But yeah. This is definitely style number 2. I think this is super cute. It's edgy, easy to do. Let's finish the Bantu knots to do the boho Bantu knot like style. On the last one. Oh, this is so cute. I like it. Oh my god. I really should wear my hair like this, y'all. I really should. Boho Bantu knots with locks. So this lock style is quite easy, very versatile, something that you can wear in the workplace as well. We're going to call this the Swoop Braid with bow. That's what I wrote down, so that's what we're calling it. Section off the front of your hair, and we're going to do like a chunky braid. It's like you're doing a French braid. I'm going to braid it going back. Now, if you want, you can leave like a lock out on the side like this, or you can just continue to braid all of it back. I think I will continue to just braid it all back. And you don't have to braid it all the way down just yet. Just enough to secure it. So this is the first braid. And then you're going to section off the other side like this and do the same exact thing. These braids don't have to look too perfect, especially if you don't have a retwist. You know, you just want it to look nice and neat for the most part. And you don't have to braid it too tight anyways, because you're going to pull these 2 braids back into a nice little ponytail. Get a nice scrunchie and secure it. Please, by any means, slick down your edges if you want. I would slick mine down, but I'm not because I'm doing so many different styles. But slick them down so it can look nice and neat, or leave them like they are. And I have this cute black hair bow that I purchased from, where I got this from? Forever 21. Just loop it through. This is this lock style. Very cute, very easy. So for this next lock style, we're just going to keep this braid in on the side because we're going to be doing a braided basket. That's what I call it, y'all. I don't know if that's the name of it. It could be a braided crown. It could be a braided basket. I don't know. But it's going to be a braid that goes all the way around. It doesn't look bad. It looks cute. I think I'll just pull out a few more locks around so that it can just make sense of how it's distributed. This is the Boho braided crown or a braided basket. I'm scared to see how it looks in the middle. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Comment down below what you're thinking about this lock style and would you try it? For this next style, we're doing a high ponytail with pin curl bangs. So I already put my hair in a ponytail, as you can see. Now we're just gonna do the bangs. I got this style inspo off of Pinterest. I think the creator's name is Jackie. I can't remember, but yeah, pretty sure I saw like a thread of like wedding styles. And she had pin curl bangs with like a nice high bun, which I thought was so cute. But we're gonna do it with a ponytail instead. Now, the style she did, the pin curls was much smaller. I'm not doing those small ones right now because I am on a crunch for time, but this is the lock style. What do you think about this one? Comment down below. This is probably my least favorite thus far. I ain't gonna lie, I probably would not wear this style, but someone would wear it. So yeah, comment down below if you like this one. Now for this one, you can just have fun with it. It's going to be a high bun, high messy bun with bangs. This is definitely one of my faves. Dang, that's the quickest messy bun I've ever done. Here is this lock style. Now this is one of my faves. I'm telling y'all, it's definitely one of my go-tos. I rock this all the time. Dang, I should have did this one last so I could wear it for the rest of the day. Comment down below if you would rock this one or if it's your fave. And now we just have one more style to go, which is going to be a head wrap style. So I'm just going to keep this bun in because I would most likely because I would normally make a bun out of the head wrap anyways. So since it's already secure, I'm just going to keep the bun and the bangs. Grab you a nice scarf. Okay, wrap it around and then twist going around. Just twist the sides like that. Twist going up. And then you just tuck the pieces in the back. And it looks like that. Oh my God, this is the cutest head wrap style I've ever done. What the heck is going on? Oh, I don't know, y'all. This might be my fave out of all of these. I don't know. This is so cute. Comment down below which lock style was your fave, which one would you try, and which one was your least fave. Let's just keep it a buck, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you like it, and I hope that you all have an amazing week ahead. I'll check y'all in the next video. Bye.